In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Redbubble password, a simple yet crucial step in maintaining your online security. Imagine this, you've just got a notification suggesting it's time to update your password, or perhaps you've heard that it's good practice to change your passwords regularly. Whatever the case, you're at the right place to learn how to update your Redbubble password with ease. Step 1 in this journey begins at the Redbubble homepage. Navigate to the site, marveling at the variety of awesome products designed by independent artists. And once there, look for the login button. This is your gateway to access your account, located prominently, usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start with your email address, the one you used to sign up for Redbubble. Type it carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, enter your password. Remember, this is the existing password you're currently using for Redbubble, not the new one you're planning to switch to. Take your time, typing it in carefully. After entering your login details, click on the login button. That action will whisk you away to your dashboard, a place where creativity meets commerce, filled with the vibrant art of thousands of artists worldwide. But let's focus. Once logged in, navigate back to the home page. Yes, back to where we started. But this time, look to the top right corner for your profile. You'll see your profile icon, a small circle representing you on this vast platform. Click on it to access a drop-down menu filled with various options. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. Here, you're getting closer to the goal. This section allows you to adjust various aspects of your account, but today we're zeroing in on the password. Within the account settings, find and click on the Change Password option. This is the crucial step where the transformation happens. As you enter the Change Password section, you'll be faced with 3 fields. The first one asks for your current password, the one you've been using all along. It's a security measure, ensuring that only the rightful account owner can make changes. Next, you're invited to type in your new password. This is an important moment. Your new password should be strong and unique, a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that stands like a fortress protecting your account. Take a moment here to really consider what will make a strong password that's also memorable for you. With your new password typed in, the final step is simple. Click on Change Password. This button, once clicked, finalizes your decision, updating your Redbubble account with your newly chosen password, and with that, you've done it. You've successfully changed your Redbubble password, taking a significant step towards securing your account and your presence on this platform dedicated to independent art and creativity. A few additional tips to ensure your online security remains tight. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords, especially if you're updating them regularly. And always think twice before clicking on links or opening emails from unknown sources. Changing your password might seem like a small task, but in the grand scheme of online security, it's a powerful tool in keeping your account safe. Whether you're a buyer, enchanted by the unique art pieces, or an artist sharing your creativity with the world, maintaining the security of your account should always be a top priority. Remember, the internet is a vast space, filled with incredible opportunities, but also potential risks. By taking control of your account security, with steps like changing your password regularly, you're ensuring that your experience on platforms like Redbubble remains positive, secure, and fruitful. Thank you for joining me today. Stay safe, stay creative, and keep embracing the unique art that makes platforms like Redbubble a treasure trove of creativity.